Hey, everybody. I hope that I am going live here. I've got too many screens open, so I can't tell if it's live or not. If it is, just give me a hello in the comments, and then I'll know that somebody out there is watching. So here is the question of the day. Um, how many people are sick and tired of having your CRM list fill up with all these spammers? You know what I mean? Somebody comments, they send you these DMs, they're calling, and then if you're using a great all-in-one program like Go High Level, Funnel Gorgeous, any of these, then all of a sudden you get all of these contacts and they're just spammers. How many people, raise your hand if that is you? Well, I'm going to show you a quick little tip on at least how you can automate the process to keep your contact list nice and clear, okay? Or clean, just to get rid of those. So let me try sharing my screen here. And I will just show you super simple system on how to do this. So I don't know if you can see me, but I'm going to trust that you are. So I am inside of Go High Level / Funnel Gorgeous in this instance. Now, it doesn't matter that you can see names and stuff because all of these are just spammers, and you'll notice that there's no emails here. So all of these people keep commenting, sending me DMs, all of that kind of stuff. And, I don't want to go through and individually delete all of these people. So what can I do? Well, the first thing is we are going to search in our contacts and pull up everybody that does not have an email. Okay. So, again, Go High Level, it pretty much all looks the same regardless of who you're using it from, but you're looking for something where you can filter. So mine was over here to the right, and then come down where it says email. And then I'm looking for everybody that the email spot is empty. So I'm going to apply that. All right. Now, let me just throw this out here. If you're into sending SMS or text messaging and that's part of your business, you'll need to go through and flag those people so you don't automatically delete people that you're texting. Okay. But this is basically just the regular old spammers. Okay. So it's showing that I have 143 records. Now, the next thing is I want you down at the bottom, it says save as smart list. So I'm going to click that button and then just give it a name. So I'm just going to call this spammers no email. And then I'm going to save it. Okay. So once you do that, along the top here, now I have several smart lists, and there's all kinds of things you can do with smart lists, which I'll talk about in another video. But basically, think of it kind of like filing, putting things in separate little categories. And if you click on some of the other columns, it will bring up everybody that's been tagged and put into that list. All right. So right now, if we look at the top, I'm displaying everybody that's in that list. Now, it's going to show me, I have a lot of them in this one, 143 records. So I'm up here over to the right, depending on your screen size, it might be over here on the left. But what I want to do, the page size, the default, in other words, how many records is it showing is 20? I'm going to change this to 100. That's the max. Then at least, if you wanted to do a quick scan through and say, oh, no, wait, I don't want to delete that person, you can take them out of the list. Okay. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to delete all of them in one fell swoop. So up here at the top, kind of near the left, there's a little checkbox. And when I check it, because I'm displaying 100 records, but I want all the records. So again, make sure you select all the records. And so now I've got all 143. Again, if you want to just quick, do a quick scan. And then what are we going to do? We're going to come right up here to the top and we are going to click the trash can. And yes, we are going to delete those. And then you need to refresh your screen anytime you're in your contacts. And then, of course, it's taking a minute. And sometimes you just have to refresh it a couple of different times. Okay. And for some reason, it's not refreshing, but trust me. So you refresh it and then that list will be gone. Right? So let me come back here and talk to you face to face. So the beautiful thing about this is because you've set up that smart list, it's like your little assistant that's working in the background. So anytime you get some kind of a contact from somebody that does not give you their email, they will automatically be put into this smart list that I've called spammers no email. then you can once a week, once a month, you can just go in there, select all, click delete, and you're good to go. Now, there's other automations that we could set up on the back end, but for right now, I think for most people, this is the best solution because, again, if you're sending any kind of SMS messages, you don't want to delete those people. You want to try to get their email address, right? All right, so I hope this was helpful, as always. And if you want more help, think about joining my Digital Business Academy. It's a low-cost membership where I give you live coaching and support every day, marketing strategies, and I help you use your awesome all-in-one marketing tool. If you haven't jumped into the automation secret of using Go High Level, I've got a free trial for you if you want to use that. And as always, if you happen to catch this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. All right, talk to you later. Thanks.